Do you know that hackers can spy on cheating partners through social media 2FA hacks? If you want to protect your privacy or learn how these attacks happen, stick around. And for real expert help, check the email in the description. Alright, let's get into it. First, what's 2FA? Two-factor authentication is supposed to keep your social media safe. You log in, you get a code on your phone or email or use biometrics to prove it's really you. Sounds unbreakable, right? Well, hackers are getting smarter, especially when it comes to spying on relationships. So how do they do it? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, SIM swapping. Step 2, phishing. First, SIM swapping. Conceptually, a hacker can cause your phone number to be moved to a device they control, so codes land with them instead of you. When that happens, verification codes can go straight to the attacker, allowing access to DMs, photos, and more. Pretty scary, right? Step 1, SIM swapping. Here's what that looks like in simple terms. Attackers who get control of your number receive codes meant for you. That can let them log in and read private messages or download photos, privacy lost. Access can be nearly instantaneous, so detection windows are small. Step 2, phishing. Attackers send convincing fake emails or texts that look like real login alerts. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, any service that uses codes is a target for fake alerts. A victim clicks a malicious link, enters credentials or even their 2FA code, and the attacker can use those details to log in. In seconds, access is granted. Again, this is a conceptual overview, not a how-to. These techniques are used in real cases. Let's look at examples. People sometimes hire someone to check a partner. Sometimes that leads to criminal account takeovers. Attackers can take over accounts, revealing private messages and photos. Every secret exposed, trust shattered. It can cause complete relationship meltdown. In another case, a suspicious partner sent a fake login page. She entered credentials thinking it was legit. Within minutes, he was inside her account, scrolling through messages and photos. The result? Broken trust, legal and emotional consequences. How to stay safe? Never share personal ID or account details. Be skeptical of unexpected account messages. If someone claims to be from your carrier, hang up and contact the company through official channels. Do not trust caller claims alone. Use strong, unique passwords and a password manager. Prefer app-based authenticators where possible. For the best protection fast, visit the link in the description to our top security expert. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more privacy tips. Stay safe out there. Send a message to the email in the description for expert help. Thanks for watching.